Stop wasting hours designing thumbnails. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create a clean, clickable YouTube thumbnail using AI. I used to spend hours designing thumbnails. Now AI does it in under 1 minute, and I'm about to show you how. If your videos are good but nobody is clicking, your problem is not content, it's your thumbnail. This thumbnail was made by AI. You're not getting views because your thumbnail looks like everyone else's. Now, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video.
Create your YouTube thumbnail using AI. All you just have to do is to come over to ChatGPT, and what you are going to do is you are going to give ChatGPT that topic, like the title of your video. So let's say the title of my video is, so I'm just going to give ChatGPT the title. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I have a YouTube video, or let me just say, help me create a high ranking title for my YouTube video. How to create a YouTube thumbnail using AI. So I'm just going to give ChatGPT this prompt, and I'm going to let it give me a good title. And you can see that ChatGPT is writing it out. So these are the title that ChatGPT gave to me. So what I'm just going to do inside all this title that ChatGPT gave to me, I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to select the best for me. So I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to select the best that can go viral. Now you can see that ChatGPT have just selected the best that can go viral for me. How to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using AI step by step. So what I'm just going to do is to copy this. I'm just going to copy this topic that this title that ChatGPT gave to me, because I just noticed that I've gotten my 1 day limit. I'm just going to log into my other account. So now the reason why I'm doing this is because I've just gotten to limit for the day. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to paste the title of the title of the YouTube video that ChatGPT wrote for me. Then I'm just going to paste it here. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to tell ChatGPT, using this title, I'll just tell ChatGPT, using this title, I want you to create a YouTube thumbnail picture for this title. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to tell it to make it catchy, colorful. You need to write it like this so that it will know what to give you, so that it will not go and give you what you don't want. So make it catchy, colorful, and high ranking. So you can copy this exact prompt for yours. So make it catchy, colorful, and high ranking. So I'm just going to write it like that, and high ranking. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a picture that I'm going to use, a picture that I'm going to use for this thumbnail. What that means is that I want to add my picture. So you can decide to just do it without adding any picture, but I want to add a picture to it. So to add a picture to it, I'm just going to go over to Gemini. So I'll copy this prompt first. Then I'm just going to go over to Gemini and create a picture. So I'll go over to Gemini So I already have a picture that I want to use as a reference. All I just need to do is to come over here, take the picture, then I'll just tell Gemini to change I just want to change my outfit. So I'll just tell Gemini change my outfit to a beautiful, colorful, or let me just say to a red dress. So I'm just going to send this to Gemini. I just want to change the outfit that I'm using because I want to use this picture for the thumbnail. I want the picture to be on the thumbnail. So I'm just going to let it load. Now as you can see, I just created a picture that I want to use. So if you already have a picture of yourself that you want to use, you don't need to go through all this stress. So you're just going to save it. Then once I finish saving it, I'm just going to go over to ChatGPT. So you see the reason why I copied that prompt. So I'm just going to paste the prompt back. Then I'm going to come to this up, like the first place. I'm going to write using this picture as a reference. It should be by the side. And the background of the picture should be blur. So I just want it to be like a proper thumbnail. Should be blur. I want the background to be blur. Now I'm just going to bring the picture. I'm going to click on this plus icon here. Now I'm going to click on the picture. So I'm going to allow it to load. Once it's finished loading, I'm just going to send it. Then I'm going to wait for the image. Now you can see that it just created a thumbnail for us. So if there's anything that you don't like in this thumbnail, you can just tell it to change anything for you. So this is how I create my YouTube thumbnail.
This is it for how to create YouTube thumbnails using AI. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.